Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Over here we got the Colman B200 something or other. We're going to be testing them out. So the way this one works is this one's clutched. This one has a torque converter on it. We're going to see if there's much of a difference. You can look up the specs on all other kinds of channels or online honestly, but we're going to do some real world testing. Alright, so we made it out here. There's a couple little hills. They're pretty steep. I don't know if on camera it doesn't show it, but we're just gonna, for the first test, we're just gonna see how well they climb up this little hill. First pull. So this is the clutched B200. We're gonna see how it does up this little hill. It's clutch. We're gonna try out the torque converter one now. I'll get the camera over. Let's see if mine's still, huh? Yeah. Runs like a champ. All right, well, I don't know if that'll show on camera, but the torque converter makes this has way more power down low. It's able to lug up these hills way better. So I think we're gonna give the torque converter a win on this one. Let's go to the next test. All right, so the torque converter kind of won on the off-road side of things as far as just like climbing hills because it's more torquey. Looking through YouTube, I don't really see any videos that really show like anything crazy that these things can do. So we're gonna try going up this little hill, but it's not so little, so we'll give this a shot. By its own, it's not going to get up. If I got off and pushed it, make it up. We tried it with the torque converter. We might as well try it with the clutched and kind of see how it goes. The thing about the clutch is it gets a lot more pickup speed going up. But like I think we'll probably do about the same, honestly. The clutch feels a lot smoother. It's super fast till like you hit like 10 miles an hour and then it's like and stops. This will pull all the way through. One more thing to mention, both of these are completely stock. No governor removal, no fly, like nothing. They're straight off the showroom floor fresh. So, I mean, it's a great comparison to see, and maybe you'll be able to judge off of this of what you want to get. But let's see how this thing does. Okay, so actually that was really surprising. This thing, like I said, this thing picks up speed way faster, and because of that, you can carry your speed up through, and I only had to push it up the last couple feet. So I think we're gonna make some modifications to both of these. I think I might ditch the torque converter. Something to know about these two things is our camera guy, Micah, he bought his for, it was on sale for 600 bucks. It has the halogen light bulb, the clutch. The frames are a little bit different, but not enough to, I mean, nothing that you really notice. They're about the same size. I paid almost 800 for this, and that was for, I got a front disc brake and a rear disc brake. This just has a rear disc brake, and it has the torque converter. But in all honesty, I genuinely think that clutch is the way to go. It works smoother, and once you take the governor off, they'll both go about the same speed. Something interesting to note is this bike is clutched, and when we start off a line in a drag race, he beats me by like 30 or 40 feet, but this has a higher top end. It's faster. So we get going, we start, I'm quicker off the line, and then he catches up, and then I sit at a consistent speed for like, I don't know, 10 seconds or so, and then that torque converter finally kicks in and I slowly pass him. So I think it's up to you, but just riding the two different machines, I think clutch is definitely the way to go. All right, another test we're gonna do is a drag race. He's on the clutch, I'm on the torque converter. Let's see how it goes. Okay, lined up, clutch straight. Okay, ready, set, go. So I'm pinned, he's pinned, I got the start, and the middle he's got me, but watch this. Slowly I start to pick up. I'm gonna catch up to him. Catch up to him. So, I mean, the torque converter is faster. The torque converter is definitely faster, but I mean, it's faster off the line. But in the middle, it stays consistent. Yeah, it's a consistent speed. So, yeah, just interesting. So, hope this video helps you in deciding what you want to do, but I think we're going to do some modification videos, and we're going to build some of these out. So if you want to follow along, give us a subscribe, like our channel, and we'll see you next time.